For this video, we are going to cover two-step equation. The aims are learn how to perform inverse operation, solve two-step equation, and tasks to check your understanding. At the end of this video, I would like to check your understanding about two-step equation. So I prepared a task for you. Comment your answer or question about two-step equation. You will see this task again at the end of this video. Let's learn inverse operation. For addition, the inverse is subtraction. And for subtraction, the inverse is addition. Multiplication, the inverse is division. For division, the inverse is multiplication. For the square root, the inverse is a power or exponent. And for the exponent, the inverse is square root. Now let's solve two-step equation. Here, solve for the value of x. Letter A, we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. So here, let's eliminate first the plus 3. And inverse of that will be minus 3. And we have to do it both sides of the equation to make it balance. Bring down 2x. Plus 3 minus 3, that is 0. Equal 9 minus 3 is 6. Then we have now 2x is equal to 6. 2x is a multiplication. So inverse of that is division. We have to divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 times x is x is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So for letter A, the value of x is equal to 3. Letter B, we have 4x minus 4 is equal to 16. Let's get the inverse operation of minus 4, and that is plus 4. And we're going to do it both sides of the equation. Let's solve. So bring down 4x. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Equal 16 plus 4 is 20. So now we have 4x is equal to 20. 4x is multiplication, so we have to divide both sides by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 times x is x is equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. For letter B, the value of x is equal to 5. Letter C, we have x minus 2 all over 5 is equal to 3. The x minus 2 all over 5 is a fraction, and that means that it's a division. And inverse of division is multiplication. For the equation, we're going to use cross multiplication. On the right side of the equation, that is 3. So we can put a denominator of 1. Since 3 divided by 1 is still 3. It didn't change the value. So that we can multiply x minus 2 by 1. That will be the same. X minus 2. And then 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. Now we have x minus 2 is equal to 15. Then we're going to take the inverse of minus 2. That will be plus 2 on both sides. So here we can bring down x. Minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Equal 15 plus 2 is 17. So for the letter C, the value of x is equal to 17. Letter D, we have 4x squared is equal to 16. Here, better to eliminate first the numerical coefficient before the power. So divide both sides by 4, since 4x squared is a multiplication. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 times x squared is x squared. Then equal 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then for our x, we still have a power of 2. So we have to get the inverse of that, and that is square root. So we have to square root both sides. Here we can cancel out the square root and the power of 2. We have here now x is equal to square root of 4 the answer will be positive or negative 2. Since if we multiply positive times positive, it will give you positive 4. Same as negative 2 times negative 2, the result is still positive 4. So the value of x is equal to positive or negative 2. It's now time to check your understanding. Pause the video and comment your answer or question about two-step equation. And remember, math is more than a procedure. It's a powerful habit of thinking.